I'm going to show you how to reset the maintenance light on a 2004 to 2008 Toyota Prius. Should all be the same steps. So what I'm going to do here, without putting my foot on the brake pedal, I'm going to go ahead and press the power button once, then press it twice. And you will see, it's kind of hard to tell from the phone here, but information comes up on the screen here. What we're going to do is press the trip odometer, and you'll see it's on the odometer, so it's on the miles. So you want it to be on the miles. What I'm going to do is press and hold the odometer trip button here, and then I'm going to turn off power on the vehicle. So let's see if I can do this while holding the button. And then I'm going to press the power once and then twice, and so now you can see it's actually those three buttons there, four, and now it has reset, and I can let go of the odometer trip button. So to verify that it's turned off, I will actually start the vehicle, and now you can see the maintenance light is off. So very easy to do, just two buttons and you're set. Hope this helps. Thanks for watching.